Welcome to Homework Lib.
So a business is launching a new product. The launch will require a number of related activities as follows. So it has all these activities and it says what is the earliest time that a new product can be introduced to the market. So I'm going to add the 5, the 4. I'm going to add up all of these weeks, okay, in my calculator. So 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4 plus 10 plus 4 plus 12 plus 8 plus 13 plus 9 plus 3 plus 2, and that's 73 weeks total. If the company hire trained salespeople who do not need further training, could the product be introduced 7 weeks earlier? So required the sales manager to recruit salespeople, train the salespeople, plan advertising, conduct, I'm just making sure there's no more training. And so training the salespeople, so yes, it would. How long could one delay selecting the advertising agency? So select 2 weeks. If in the problem above, if the sales manager cannot be hired for 3 weeks, how will that affect the total project? It would take 76 weeks. No, not 76 weeks. It would take 78 weeks. In the previous problem, if the whole project launch operation is to be completed as rapidly as possible, what activities must be completed by end of week 16? So 5 plus 4 plus 7. So these 3 things must happen. And so hire sales manager, require sales manager. So you know what? I'm just going to say, okay, E goes with these 3 things. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.